In 2026, DevOps is one of the most in-demand skill in tech, but the problem is most beginners are confused. What to learn first, which tools, where to start. In this video, I will guide you clear step-by-step roadmap to become a DevOps engineer from scratch. Hi everyone, this is Mehboob and today I am going to guide you through the complete DevOps roadmap for 2026. Let's start. First, understand SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. This helps you understand how software is built, test, and deploy in a real companies in real-time world. Without these, DevOps won't make sense. Next, learn an operating system, especially Linux. Linux is the backbone of DevOps. Most servers runs on Linux, so this is a must. After that, learn basic networking, things like IP address, DNS, DHCP, HTTP, and how systems communicate with each other, how internet works. Now move to cloud. So we have different kind of cloud providers like AWS, Azure, GCP. Choose anyone, but I recommend start with AWS because it's widely used. Next, learn Git and GitHub. This is how developers manage the code, track changes, and collaborate with team members. Now come to CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. Here you automate your workflow like HDLC lifecycle is going to be automate here using tools like Jenkins, GitHub, Circle CI, many more. But I recommend you to learn the Jenkins. Next, learn Docker. Docker helps you package your application. It's create isolations. It runs anywhere without any issue. After Docker, move to Kubernetes. It helps you manage and scale containers. Like we have thousands of containers, Docker containers we want to run in real-time production. So it is very difficult to manage. Using Kubernetes, it will helps. Kubernetes helps to manage the containers. Then learn monitoring tools like Grafana, Prometheus. These tools help you track performance and fix issues quickly. Finally, learn infrastructure as a code. Instead of creating servers manually, using infrastructure as a code, you can write a code and manage the infrastructure through automation, especially for cloud. Now you might be thinking how long it will take or how long will this take. Here a simple timeline. Month 1 and 2 Linux plus Git you have to cover. Month 2 and 3 Docker and CI/CD you have to cover. Month 5 and 6 Cloud plus Kubernetes you have to cover. Month 7 build real-time projects and apply for jobs. Don't just learn tools, build projects. For example, deploy an application using Docker and cloud. Create a CI/CD pipeline. Deploy using Kubernetes. Deploy an application using Kubernetes. Projects are that actually get you hired. If you follow this roadmap step by step, you can become a DevOps engineer even from zero. I will be posting more DevOps tutorials, so make sure to subscribe and stay consistent. Let's build your DevOps career together. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you want documentation as a roadmap, just comment me. Document, I will share with you.